What's up, my friends? Roberts here, and in this video we're just going to be logging into a battle and trying to absolutely bring the battle down in our favor. So yeah, that's what we're going to try to do, and I hope the footage doesn't disappoint. So let's go in and let's do it. And while I'm talking and while this game is taking a horrendously long time to load, it would be really, really helpful if you could subscribe and like, because it really helps me out, it really helps the channel out. So yeah, that would be really good. Finally we've got it, and we're going to start on domination on Canyon. Okay. Let's go fly over here. Nice jump. And we're landing. Okay. Are we going to get the flight in time to get there? No, we aren't. Sorry. I just needed to cough. Alright. Boom. That must be so annoying for that person. Oh, that nightingale it is. Do a bit of damage. Then circling back around and down to last 9. Nice. Nice. And the explosion gets the leech. Good job, friend. Ooh, that on the side is really hurting. Ooh, wow, that Natasha. Damn. Really need a heap. Oh no, let me target the Natasha. Yes. And then I'm dead before I can even do it. Okay. We've already got the Titan charged. Cool. I think we'll hop into this Scorpion and trek our way to the bridge. Okay. Nearly there. Got a bit of a cough. Okay, and jumping on this person. And you can't use your ability, bro. I guess what I said in the start about trying to dominate the matches, I think me and my team are pretty well. Okay, activating healing. Hawk lasering me. Thanks. And I'm dead. I'm gonna just jump into the Hangar Titan. Alright. 500 and boom. Small bit of damage. Please be the whole thing. Nope, just a smidgen left. Smidgen left. That would be 400 HP. I'm really getting a bit of a froggy and cloggy throat. Yeah, got a bit of a frog in my mouth. And that's a metaphor, but yeah. Okay, so let's target this Cataclysm Arthur. That guy's reloading, I think, because he's not shooting at anyone, even though I'm in his range and other people are too. Finally, I can actually get off that thing. Boom. Boom. And there it is. And who might we have behind me? I think it might be a bull of Sharenga. Let's see in a sec. Boom, boom. And yep, bull of a Sharenga. Nice job, bro. Timeout. Dude's landing. Boom. Boom. Kill. I want to heal you, bro. Oh, he's healing himself? Okay. 72,000, 84,000, 126,000. Boom. That's a nice shield, but it's being dealt so much damage. Okay. Nice job, friend. Whoops, I timed him out when my bull friend was also timing him out. I think we're going to have a little bit of fun with that Nodens once he gets in range. Okay, that's that. And he's finished, alright. Okay. Anti-control triggered. Boom, 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 boom. 4 deadly shots. So powerful. That was just so powerful, bro. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm suppressed. Cool. And timing out. Nice. Alright, this is not good. And I'm dead. Okay. Hope you live, Bulva Stranger that was next to me. Though he's probably gonna die. Did he die? He's still on quarter HP. Yep, he's gonna die in 3, 2, 1. Okay, he's dead. Sad, but it just happened, so yeah. Jeez, calm down, bro. Chill, guys. Whoa. Thanks for the focus. Pretty good match. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna jump into another match right after I just quickly get this Operation XP. Nothing is there for me to get because I don't have the premium thing, so that's level 9. So I should be actually getting a real one soon, but yeah. Okay. Let's jump into the next battle. Yeah. Starting with the Hawk on Moon for Beacon Rush. We've got some pretty strong friends. That is a very strong invader. And I can tell you that invader, for a person who's running a beak drone, all the explodey weapons and the medium one of the explodey weapons is the Warrior Scorcher, I think is what it's called. Yeah, Warrior Scorcher. I think that invader would best be pretty well leveled, and you can tell by the speed too. So yeah. And even though, speaking about leveling, my Hawk is MK3, I still get destroyed quickly by that Orochi. I can't believe barely any beacons have been capped. Okay, this Hawk is going to die. You shall die. There's no point hoping. Kill. Okay, got him with the dot effect. this shell will die. Okay. Alright. Oh, that Mender. Sorry, bro. You're getting 4 on 1, bro. Menders, they actually, if they're receiving a massive amount of firepower, they can actually stay living for longer than quite a few other robots. Because of that healing that they just constantly get. So they have the resistance, and then they get massive boosts of healing. Arguably, if it wasn't really close range, the Demeter would be a bit better. Because it has the Aegis shield the Absorber, not Aegis. It has the Aegis shield. But that's not in close combat. And there is a counter, which is Shield Breaker to the shield, so something to consider. But yeah, and also if you have the Sviatogor Belov pilot on the Fafnir, then that would be doing that. Okay. This Ravener has been annoying everybody on the battlefield the whole match. So yeah. Okay, I won't be capping this. I won't be letting these guys cap this beacon, except for if that Ravener fires at me, which I'll need to put my shield up, and I'll go at too high an altitude for me to stop the capping of the beacon. Which he's coming out now, and alright, that's that. Okay, doing some sweet damage, but man, that person's healing a lot. And that Orochi is doing damage, if there was ever such a thing. Wow, it's a lot of damage. Okay, thanks for missing me, bro. Raveners are just so powerful, and in my opinion, they will always remain relevant because of the fact of them being able to absolutely just... They're able to always keep surviving and pushing through and not stopping. They just... Orbital Strike, Transcendence, Bulva, say, Phase Shift or something, and then, say, if you sent another Bulva, they'd do Transcendence, and so it all just flows on, and eventually you just can't kill the Ravener. Eventually it will run out, but that's being a bit hypocritical. Well, I'm saying eventually it just run out, but then I said eventually it will never be able to die. It will be able to die, but if it's not a constant onslaught of enemies, it's no, it's enemies. Yeah, enemies. Yeah. Okay, so bye.